Okay, guys, so this is kingfish and escabeche, also known as pescado sierra. These are the ingredients: ground pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some adobo, you use whichever you like, onion, bay leaf, oregano, lime, red bell pepper, fresh garlic, salt, olive oil, vinegar, and flour. Okay, so now we are going to season our kingfish, which is also pescado sierra. Season it with some adobo. You use whichever adobo your preference, guys. Black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and now I am going to turn them, each one of them, and I am going to pretty much season the other side the same way as I did the first side. After I'm done seasoning all my pieces, I am going to put them in the fridge until I'm ready for them. So now here I am going to prep some flour. And I like to season my flour with the same seasonings that I use to season the fish. And the reason I like putting flour on the fish, it gives it not only a nice crisp, but the flour helps soak in all that vinaigrette at the end when you season it. And when I'm telling you guys, it is delicious. It is super delicious. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the vinaigrette. Here I am adding some olive oil and some fresh garlic. Now I am adding the garlic to the oil while the oil in the pan is still cold, so the garlic doesn't turn green on me. So I let it cook for a little bit, about a minute or so. The whole time I am cooking this in medium low, guys. Cook your ingredients in medium low. Give them chance to marinate and dance together and all that good stuff. All right. So I just added some bay leaves. And now I'm adding my onions and bell pepper. This vinaigrette, this is my first batch of vinaigrette. This is the vinaigrette that I'm going to put the fish as I'm done frying it. Here I added, I think it was the whole lime of juice. So I squeezed the lime and I added, and here I added about 2 tablespoons of the white vinegar. Again, like I said, I do 2 batches. When I'm done frying, I add my fish to that, and then toward the end I do another batch of the vinaigrette to pour over the fish. So here I am making sure that my fillets are coated really good, every crevice of it, with the flour. Make sure you shake off the most of the flour. As you can see, I'm trying to shake it off. If you let it sit for a little bit before you fry it, it's even better. Not too long, only for a few minutes. Here again, I am coating the next piece. Make sure that you coat each piece of that fillet. Sometimes when I'm breading, I'm doing it like this because I'm showing you, but I like to actually use the bag, like a Ziploc bag or whatever, and put my fish in it and coat it that way. But I just want to show you in details how you want your fish to look. So meanwhile, I have my oil heating up in medium low. So my oil is hot. Now I am putting it on there. My oil is on medium low. I want my fish to cook through it without burning. So here it has been cooking. I had turned it a couple of times already. As you can see, look at how beautiful. Look at that color. Look at that color. Look at that color. And I'm telling you, it's very crispy as well. The whole time I'm cooking it on medium low. Here I have my vinaigrette that I had done. I had kept my vinaigrette also on low so it could be hot when I put my fish in there. So now I'm going to transfer my fish to a baking pan. And the next batch of the vinaigrette, which I added more juice to it, you know, more lime, more olive oil, a little bit more vinegar. It's all preference how much vinaigrette you want. And I just drained these and let it cover. If you could do this the day before, I promise you it tastes even better. But look at this. Pretty much this is it, guys. You could either serve this the next day or eat it the same day. All right, and thank you again for coming to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, okay? And have a blessed day. I will see you next recipe. Enjoy your day.